about the smell of the new unit?
Yeah. 2022, June and a half. Oh, there's
Smell like
water
the
in
oil?
There's water in the
paint.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What motor does this have?
Interlink. It's an interlink down in there.
It's getting all nice and cold.
Really smooth running unit.
I don't think it's supposed to be all that hot today.
Alrighty, shut it down. Fire it down. I got that in the video.
Once the fan blade stops spinning, I'll get a good look at the inside.
It'll take a minute.
Yeah.
The nice oil smell from the new unit out of the factory. See the LG scroll compressor.
Nah, I wish I could. If the blades would quit moving.
We're getting ready to stop, and it stopped.
And of course it stops right in front of my view.
The Goodman's RPM on the motor is 840, 1 speed. And this one, of course, 1 speed.
See that little LG logo down there?
Oh yeah.
Alrighty then.
Wrap this one up.
I guess we'll go look at the neighbors and then we'll go head out to the office complex.
Sounds like a plan.